Listen carefully, Nigeria. Don't tempt God with this nation. This is a bold prophetic declaration for every citizen, every leader, and every generation. The dangers are real. Disobedience, corruption, neglect. God will not be mocked. He will not bless disobedience. The future of Nigeria depends on our actions, our integrity, and our prayers. Watch, reflect, take a stand. Stand for righteousness, justice, and restoration of our nation. Nigeria must rise under God's favor. Let us not tempt God's patience. We are holding a 7-night prayer for our gallant armed forces on the front line. If you are with us, join us. But if you are not joining us, stay clear. We have lost too many young men on the front line. Do not condemn what God is doing through his people, or God may send a surprise visit to you. Stand with us. Pray with us. Protect our nation. Protect our soldiers. Nigeria shall not bleed again. Prayer starts tomorrow for 7 days. Time 8 p.m. Wherever you are, in anywhere, as long as you are in Nigeria, say a prayer for our gallant soldiers on the front line. God bless Nigerian youth. Amen.